Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel has appealed to the public to extend full cooperation and support to ensure the grand success of Sangai Festival 2025, scheduled to be held from November 21 to 30. Issuing an official statement, the Chief Secretary said the festival stands as a powerful testament to Manipur's resilient spirit and vibrant cultural heritage, and urged every citizen, especially internally displaced persons, IDPs, along with all stakeholders, to participate wholeheartedly. Acknowledging the severe hardships endured by the people amid the ongoing crisis, the Chief Secretary reiterated that relief and rehabilitation of IDPs remain the state's government's foremost priority. He stated that the government is currently spending 18 crore rupees per month on monetary support and relief camp management, while 523 crore rupees special relief package from Government of India has earmarked 180 crore rupees for house restoration and 250 crore rupees for development of essential public assets such as health centers, community halls, water supply systems and schools at resettlement locations. Despite the humanitarian challenges, the Chief Secretary stressed that holding Sangai Festival is crucial for economic acceleration, tourism promotion, youth empowerment, and strengthening market linkages for local artisans, entrepreneurs, craftsmen, and farmers. He said the festival will play an important role in revitalizing Manipur's trade and investment landscape and in showcasing the state's art, culture, indigenous sports, and IT potential to national and international audiences. Reaffirming the government's commitment to constructive engagement, the Chief Secretary said the administration remains open to any grievances, suggestions, or criticism from communities and individuals. He appealed to the people of Manipur to participate with enthusiasm in the Sangai Festival 2025 and contribute to rebuilding unity, hope, and economic growth in the state.